Hey, it's Paul with rackattack.com. Here to show you the fit for the Land Rover Range Rover Evoque with a bare roof. This is the fit starting in 2020 that can be identified by the flush door handles on this vehicle. So this is the Thule Evo clamp WingBar Evo base roof rack system. It includes three components, starting with the Thule WingBar load bars. In this case, we have a box containing the 53-inch load bars in black. They're also available in silver, as you see here, too. In addition, we've got the Evo clamp foot pack, as well as the vehicle-specific fitting kit, and this is part number 5222. So it's made specifically for the Range Rover Evoque. So in the fit kit, you have detailed illustrated instructions that'll show you step by step the assembly of these items and how it fits to the vehicle. Also, it'll have guidelines for the maximum weight carrying capacity, which is 165 pounds evenly distributed, as well as a note indicating not to vent this vehicle's sunroof if it's equipped with the panoramic roof. And then on the final page, it even tells you exactly where to position the crossbars and how the fit kit fits on the roof. So here's a cross section of the WingBar Evo here in silver. So here you can see how we have the bar, the foot pack, and the fitting kit all pre-assembled. So the fitting kit will include the contoured rubber bases and these rubberized metal door frame brackets. Those are held on in place and fastened using a specialty tool that's included that will, as you tighten, it'll progressively get tighter, and once it's fully tightened, this has a click mechanism to make sure that it's tightened to the correct specifications. Also, you have the option to replace the plug that's included with the system by replacing that plug with one of Thule's same key lock cylinders. So this plastic plug would be removed, and in its place a lock cylinder would go, and that would require an actual key to access the fastener that holds the rack system to the vehicle. So those can be purchased in various sets. They come in a box. In this case, we have a 6-pack, but you would want at least a 4-pack for the base roof rack system, but you can buy these in larger quantities in order to match all the different lockable accessories on your vehicle. Okay, so those are all the key features and the general overview of the Thule Evo Clamp WingBar Evo base roof rack system for the 2020 on Range Rover Evoque. Please see the link in our video description for complete details and a direct access to this pre-configured rack system on our Rack Attack website to make it very simple to purchase. Thanks for watching.